Hello there. Right, mower number 2. This is a Qualcast Commodore. I think it's a 14-inch cut cylinder mower. Quite an old mower, and when I got it in tatty looking condition, I've tidied up the grass box. The grass box, they always tend to rot. I've passivated it, cleaned it, passivated it, undercoated it, painted it, riveted it, and I put a little bit of fiberglass on one side to make it good, because you can't weld very thin metal, then you can't actually solder metal with rust on it. Anyway, that's not the point. I'm going to start it now, and it's not totally the easiest one to start, though. No idea why it should be. The spark's good, everything else is good, but obviously some engines are a little bit finicky. Anyway, I'm just going to start it. Okay, that started quite easily this time. Nice clean exhaust, and looking good. This one has a clutch. Operate the clutch. Now I've run out of hands. That lever in front of me needs to move to one side, and that is what engages the drive to the cylinder and the wheel. Okay. Now going round, I've still got my hand on the clutch. If I release the clutch, and it moves. There we go. I've released the engine clutch. Now I can release that, and it can't go anywhere. And it potters away quite nicely. There we go. A gentleman's mower. Rather like this one. It's quiet, stately, it's got a good speed, so you don't end up racing after it. The engine starts nicely. They've got the metal pull start, which is much stronger than the later plastic ones. And though the cylinder could really do with a bit of use, it's not totally perfectly ground. Not a lot of point perfectly grinding it, in my estimation. If it's tidy, it'll work. And if you look after it, keep it correctly positioned, it will stay sharp. Anyway, gotta go. Bye.